morning. Sticky. Yung cut nila dito, 3/4, 1 inch. So, ito nga sa Steak PH yan. Yung favorite ko dito, favorite ko dito.
Ay po. Steak Daddy, we call you, Pasig City.
Pasig City. What is my favorite thing right now? Pokemon. May Pokemon kasi tsaka Gundam na from TikTok. Tapos bumili ako. Yan ang favorite ko ngayon. Kasi my simple days. I like photography. I like my camera talaga. I use that a lot. Take pictures of friends and family. Anyway, nasa bang pagod lang from biyahe and exercise, the sea. Pero I'm grateful for all the work. I'm seeing a very abundant year ahead to see new opportunities, new projects, meeting new clients, more friends, more followers, more love from TikTok. Speaking of getting into YouTube natin kung kaya na oras, party.